Assalamualaikum and good morning students. Today we are going to complete our chapter number 2, uses of computer. As I already told you about the use of computer at home, schools, offices, banks, railway station, airports, shops and for our entertainment. Now I will tell you the use of computer in hospitals, designing and research and development, and also we will talk about the few difference between human and computer. Okay, now let's open your book. Okay, now students, open page number 14. Let's start reading it first. Computers in hospitals. In hospitals, computer can be used for keeping the records out of the patients, preparing medical reports, diagnosing diseases, making hospital bills for patient. Now second one is computers in designing. Computers are used in printing and publishing books also. The book we are reading is also printed with the help of computer. Architects use computer to design buildings. Other industries use computers to design machines, clothing and various articles. Media industry use computers to design newspapers, comics and magazines. Now next one is computers in research and development. Computers are used in various fields for the purpose of development and research. For example, they are used to launch satellites. Humans and computers. We will read it about later. First, let's look on it. We use computer in hospital to create the report of the patients, to make the medical reports, to diagnose the disease of the patient, or to make the bills of the patient, to diagnose whether the patient is ill from the disease which doctors are thinking or not. Okay, so like this you can see in the picture, they are diagnosing the disease inside the computer. Okay, so that's why in hospitals use the computer. Now come to the designing. We use computer in different forms in designing topic. Like they publish when books are getting published, so they get published by getting printed off the soft copy, where the soft copy is going to be written down in the computer. As I told you, that's we write inside the computer, and that writing is called as soft copy, and when we printed it out, it called the hard copy of that soft copy. Okay, now here in the first picture they are talking about the architect. When different buildings get built, they first just design inside the computer that how the building is going to be look. Okay, now come to the second one. In it they are talking about the different industries, like the industries which makes cloth, which makes toys and other any machine. First they design the sample inside the computer, that how that sample is going to be look after the completion of their process. So they first make the design inside the computer. Okay, now come to the third picture. In this picture they are talking about the media industry. Media is what? When is like social media, like TV, they all are talking about it. Okay, or we can also talk about the newspaper. All the things which are written or designed inside the computer we can see on the computer, TV, magazines, or in the social media also. Okay, Now, computers in research and development. Whenever any new research or any new thing get developed, like if anyone is making the medicine, they are doing the research, okay, on it, that either that medicine is going to be profitable, is going to be good and better for the patient or not. So that research is would be conducted inside the computer first, okay. Now come to the last topic, humans and computers. Humans and computers are dependent on each other. Humans for their work and computers for instructions to perform, but they are entirely different from each other. Now they are talking about the computer and human. कंप्यूटर एंड ह्यूमन एक दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट ज़रूर होते हैं. दे आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन ईच अदर बट दे आर डिफरेंट इन देयर परफॉर्मेंस एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस. नाउ मूव टू द पेज नंबर 15. Okay, now look at here. Here are some differentiation that computer runs on electricity while human do not run on electricity. Okay. Now second one is computer work tirelessly. Computer does not get tired and give accurate result. Okay. While humans get tired and do the mistakes. Computers can store a lot of information while humans may forget anything. Computers can eat, sleep, drink, bath. Computers cannot eat, sleep, drink, bath, cry or feel because they do not have any emotion. They do not need to sleep or eat anything to get healthy. But humans can do all of these because they need to because human needs to be healthy and they have emotions in themselves. Okay. Computers can perform almost all tasks but nothing without the help of human. While humans can do whatever they want or at their own will. Computer perform the task but with the help of human being. While human do not need any